Hello. Now we are going to look at the fourth option in this menu, and this is SQL Worksheet. Now, SQL Worksheet is quite easy to use, simple way to query multiple database instances, and you can select what instances that you want to run the query against. So you can have multiple instances, and then you can use the worksheet settings to add columns on the response you get back. So if we add the given name, for instance, and so these are the 3 Oracle instances, but it's an example query. And then you get the given name back and the response as well. So this allows you to query multiple instances. And then we can, if we clear the output here and we try to add a SQL Server as well. So this we already know that this query won't run on SQL Server because this is an Oracle way of querying the current date. But if we execute this, we will get the response back from the ones that respond to the SQL statement, and you get the error code back from the ones that don't respond to the SQL. And this SQL worksheet can be used to run similar queries on multiple database instances, or to look for a certain object across multiple database instances, or to load and run scripts, etc., where you can get multiple, you can run it multiple times and have different columns added to the system and to the response, and yeah, and then of course export this output and everything. So it's nice to have kind of query tool to allow you to look for resources or to run scripts on multiple database instances. So that's SQL Worksheet. It's not more complicated than that, but very nice to have query tool. Thank you, and hopefully I'll see you again in another video. dbWatch Control Center, redefining database operations. Please visit us at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube.